time to wear my new clothing. Now I look like a real gangsta.
Ho ho, why are you wearing that?
I am fitting it. It's my real gangster clothing. I am taking it off.
That clothing has real swag.
So, where the fuck is that motherfucker? I meant Kylan.
Sig I skru ned humor-herfugos.
What the fuck? It talks.
I always talk humor-herfuging stupid bitches.
Are you Danish or something?
Do you sitcoms even have brains? Those at shit walk humor-herfuging dumbass.
Holy fucking shit. I didn't expect that you could swear.
I never had a fucking chance to talk. So I am talking. Trash talking IT means you dumb motherfuckers.
Hey guys. What is going on?
Will Kylan. Mr. Sun is trash talking to us.
I am also very sick of you motherfuckers calling me Emerson. My name Islamar Persyson.
Whoa. That accent.
Shoot up you motherfucking racist.